I'm Wes with McGrath Estate Agents, and today we are in the Skyview apartment complex on the Rockhampton riverfront, featuring only 2 units per floor with privacy at its heart. Come and have a look at what Unit 3 has to offer. Unit 3's floor plan, being the full length of the building, takes true advantage with balconies from the back bedroom and beautiful views onto the Rockhampton riverfront. My favorite part of this apartment must be the open plan kitchen with its stone bench tops that has an easy flow onto the dining, living areas and generous balcony out onto the river and parklands beyond. Whether you're enjoying your private balcony in the main bedroom or your guests enjoying their balcony towards the city. This property delivers in spades. If you are looking for an investment or a lock-up and go lifestyle on the Rockhampton riverfront featuring 2 car parks, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts from McGrath Estate Agents.